Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ensign, Emily's Birthday Bash! In today's episode, the losing ensign will fall into a gift bag and get a gift for Emily. Starting things off, Billy versus Stanley. Okay, Billy and Stanley, play nice, guys. Come on, let's try this one more time then. Come on, Stanley, you can do it. Ooh, now let's find out what present Billy's getting Emily. It's a minion surprise! Wow, she got a pirate minion and it's so cool! Next up, SKARLOEY versus James. Okay, time to speed things up. Fast forward mode. Time to see what SKARLOEY's getting Emily. It looks like it's a Littlest Pet Shop blind pack bag. Aw, she got a cute little bunny. Next up, Scruff versus BELLE. Go, BELLE, go! Time to find out what surprise Scruff's getting Emily. It's Purple Crazy Art Model Light. Great hat, Emily. Thomas versus Lady. Thomas, why did you give Emily a snake? Semi-finals, James versus Stanley. James got her My Little Pony blind bag. Ooh, it's a pretty purple one. Who will face Stanley in the finals? Lady versus BELLE. Ooh, cool, green Play-Doh. Now you have a cape to go with your hat. Final round, Stanley versus BELLE. Fast forward mode. BELLE got her Duck McStuffins blind pack. It's Stuffy. Stanley is the winner. Stanley, you get to give Emily the biggest present of them all. Let's unwrap it. to Thomas' Wheelwood puzzle. I hope you enjoyed Emily opening all of her presents. I hope you liked it. Click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.